Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council ka by admission ka badunatam but 6% ka jinyokam pila ru ban apply da ka education loan
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Ka Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Maulai hakar pulai trek ujemang arjar postan la Pynkup Burom hiki prapu prangot ki khana puli jong school ki bla pass ba haki examen Sslc bada Hsslc arjar postan la pinmana result dangshan dak Migilai Board of School Education hakani gasni asa khilang dak block development officer jong ka Maulai CNRD block ka kong di ling do kablong kum ka kong san ringkat ka jinan lang ka principal jong school kong phila renja kitamen basan ki khot jong school managing committee kino hikai ki khna school lambar ki mi kpa na pedeng kini ki prabu prangot nyo phongot ki deg bla pass ha ka Sslc bakat prangot ki deg bla pass ha ka Hsslc
Express my heartfelt gratitude to God for guiding us through our journey. Thank you to our school for providing us with a nurturing environment, and to our teacher for their unwavering support and guidance. And to our family member, thank you for being our anchors. Our time here in Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School has been filled with unforgettable memories, laughter, friendship, and lessons that will stay with us forever. From meeting each other as a stranger in our first day, to the countless memories of growth, we've become the individual who we are today. As a school prefect, I've had the privilege of serving and learning alongside this incredible community. I've grown not just in leadership skills, but in empathy, responsibility, and friendship. From organizing events to supporting my peers, these experiences have shaped me into a better individual. I'm grateful for the trust placed in me and the lessons learned. To my fellow prefect and student, thank you for your collaboration and community. Let's carry the values we've learned here into our future endeavors. I want to say thank you to everyone who has been a part of our journey. May God bless us all as we embark on our new paths. Congratulations, class 2025. The future is our shield. Let's go out there and make it extraordinary. Thank you.
point out that the real glory and honor belong to each one of you, the graduating students, who have reached this milestone with determination, diligence, and a desire to succeed. I'm speaking to you not just as the block development officer of Mumbai District Block, or as an officer of the Meghalaya Civil Services, but as a person whose journey began much like yours. Like many of you, I was a student filled with big dreams and lots of questions about what my future would hold. Back then, I had hoped to become a businesswoman, a broad entrepreneur who would chart her own course and be her own boss. I decided to choose a commerce stream when many around me thought I should choose science to become a doctor or an engineer. These choices were not a rejection of these noble professions, but simply because I believe in following my own interests and strength. I share this with you because it tells one important truth. Each one of us is unique. You all have your own talents, interests, and a special spark that makes you who you are. It's very easy to follow what everyone else is doing, but what truly matters is that you follow your own heart. Know what you love, figure out what you're good at, and never be afraid to try something new. Because how do we truly grow? How do we discover our strengths? The answer often lies in the challenges we find along the way. Mistakes are a natural part of learning, and even when life doesn't go as planned, every experience teaches us something new and sets us on a path toward future opportunities. My journey, with all its twists and turns, ultimately paved the way for a fulfilling career in public service, a place where I truly feel I belong, working to support and uplift our community. The knowledge and values you've learned at Phudmuri Presbyterian Higher Secondary School are not just for your benefit. They are tools to help others, to build communities, and to inspire new dreams wherever you go. Before I finish, I'd like to say a big thank you to the school for welcoming me and for organizing this beautiful day for the students, the teachers who work so hard every day, the parents for the unwavering support, and most especially to all new graduates. Today is not just a day of celebration for the achievements you made in textbooks or exams. It's a day to celebrate your hard work, your dreams, your struggles,